All right, guys. So these ones here, all right? There's something I had something prepared yesterday. Actually, just 1 second. Where did I? Ah, there it is. Excellent. All right. So I was just thinking about general things. Anytime I teach logs, I'm just talking about general things that go wrong. All right. So first of all, we're going to go in. We're going to go in. Why do logs in the first place? All right. So I'll give you an example. Do you see the way we could all get this answer really quickly? Because 3 to the power of x is 3 to the power of 3, and that means x equals 3. All right. Now, I'm going to show you a different way of doing it. Okay. And here's the different way of doing it. Instead, we're going to get x equals 3 anyway. Now, you're allowed to log both sides. Any log of your choosing. Hey, we got that? Any log you want. It doesn't matter what log. So I'm going to go for log base 10 if that's cool with you. The standard log. Okay? Need you to pay attention here. Gets really difficult to do this. You use the power rule. What's the power rule? What's the power rule, lads? Anybody remember the power rule? Whatever the power is can move to the front. So we get x log 3. Okay? And this is still log 27, isn't it? Now, please remember that the log 3 and the log 27 are their own numbers, right? They don't obey conventional maths. That's why we have these log rules for allowed use. Now, x gets multiplied by log 3, and the answer is log 27. So log 3 is multiply on the left, which makes a what on the right? Divide. Now, lads, if this works as well as we think it does, what should the answer be? The answer should be 3, shouldn't it? So we'll check it out in the calculator really quickly. Log 27 divided by log 3. All right. And the answer is, in fact, 3. So we can see that answers using logs actually work. Okay. Now, next thing. So this answer was really easy because it was 27. 3 to the power of x equals 27. But any number that's not a power of 3, it's really difficult. Because look at this. 3 to the power of 1, 3. 3 to the power of 2, 9. 3 to the power of 3, 27. 3 to the power of 4, 81. Now, see the answer for 47. See this one down here. 3 to the power of x equals 47. That answer must be somewhere between 3 and 4. How do I know that? How do I know it has to be 3? Yeah, it's in between 27 and 81. So we know that this answer has to be somewhere in between 3 and 4. But the problem is we can't really think of what answer it is because it's not on the list, is it? No. So here's what we got to do. So you can pick any log you want. Is that okay? Log base 10 because all you have to do is press log. It's the quickest way of doing it. Okay. What's the rule again? The power rule? X to the front. Okay. And then after that, lads. Yeah. Log 47 divided by log 3. Okay, lads. And we predicted the answer has to be between 3 and 4. So log 47 divided by log 3. 3.5, so it's nearly exactly where we thought it'd be. Is that okay? So logs work in general. When would you use a log? You use a log when the power or the letter you're looking for. If the letter you're looking for is in the power, that's when you introduce logs. Is that okay? That's surefire way that you know you're using logs. Now, one of the most common mistakes made is this. I'm going to show you a really common mistake that's made on these questions. Every Christmas, we always do every 5th year Christmas test I've ever done. There ends up being a log question, and everybody makes this mistake, and I'll show you the mistake to make. Ready? Okay. They do this. They log both sides. Okay? And they log, 2 times 3 to the power of x, isn't it? Okay? They log 2 times 3 to the power of x. Yeah, I don't have to put in the 10 because it's automatically, right? So, now lads, here's the problem. And I want you to tell me why this is a mistake. They bring the x to the front. Why is that a mistake in this case? All right, I'll get rid of the bracket, right? Just give me a sec. So it's 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of x. and I'm attempting to bring the x to the front. Why is that a mistake this time? The two has been multiplied by it. That's the issue. So when you do the power rule, it has to be whatever you have here. It has to be all of it to the power of x. The two, there's no the two. The power isn't affecting the two. Do you get what I'm saying? Now, lads, it has to be. If you want to move this for argument's sake, whatever this is, we'll just call it mark for argument's sake. If you want to move the x, it has to be all of this to the power of x. Does everybody see that? So what you should do at the very beginning, you need to get rid of that 2. Before you log both sides, get rid of that 2. So divide both sides by 2, or just simply bring the 2 underneath. So you get 3 to the power of x equals 24. Is that all right? And then now you can log both sides. And now you see that the x is working exclusively on the 3. And then you bring the x to the front. So does everyone understand that if you ever have another number in front of it, get rid of it at the very beginning? Right, guys, log 24. And then log 24 divided by log 3. Now, once again, you can estimate your answer. Where do you think the answer would roughly be? 3 to the power 1 is 3, 3 to the power 2 is 9, 3 to the power 3 is 27. Where do you think? 2 point something anyway, yeah? And if you don't get 2 point something, you're wrong. Lads, being able to predict your answer is very important. 2.89. Being able to predict where your answer should pop up really helps. Okay. All right, guys.